Yo, Brandon, what'd you learn about in biolab?
What did I learn about in biolab? Please, let me tell you. So there's interphase mitosis and cytokinesis. It was so cool that it left me speechless. The first part of interphase is G1, which stands for gap. So nothing's really done. Next comes the S phase, chromosome replication, son. This prepares the cell for division, which is a ton of fun. Finally, there's a phase called G2. It's something with G1, and that there's nothing to do.
So is that it? Is that all you learned?
Is that it? Man, let me finish. The next step is mitosis. It's got 4 phases. Don't try to think too hard and that drive you crazy. The first is called prophase. It's about to begin. Yeah, it's time to condense chromatin. The nucleoli disappears as the mitotic spindle assembles. Centrosomes move apart. What does that resemble? Metaphase! Metaphase is next. I can hardly wait. The chromosomes are already moving to the metaphase plate. Microtubules from the centrosome attach the kinetic cores.
Man, that's a long word. I never heard it before.
It's okay, man. I got your back. It's the place of attachment, like a head to a hat. Now the sister chromatids will group to opposite poles. This begins the next phase. Let's roll. Anaphase is next. There's no turning back now. Kinetic core microtubules start moving around. The cohesion proteins holding the chromatids together break, allowing them to separate. Each sister chromatid is now a daughter chromosome as they begin to move towards their new home. As the shortest phase, that's all there is to say. Next up is the telophase. Identical daughter nuclei form in the cell. The nuclear envelope forms as well. As the chromosomes become less condensed, the cleavage furrow forms. It's common sense. Now the cytoplasm has divided, so cytokinesis is done. We're left with 2 identical cells that came from one.
So what, man? What's the importance to that?
What's the importance, man? I'm not finished yet. It can replace damaged cells and allow organisms to grow, and it's vital in sexual reproduction, man. Didn't you know?
So you're saying that it makes identical daughter cells, and the chromosome number is diploid as well?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Those results of mitosis. That's all, folks.
No, wait. That's not all. There's a process called meiosis. Can't you recall it? Meiosis is another way for cells to reproduce. It has a number of chromosomes. Man, that's the truth. This means the cells are haploid, so there's only one set of chromosomes, man. Pay attention. Unlike mitosis, where cells are made from one, and in meiosis, the division is until it's done.
Wait, man, so one cell makes 4?
Yeah, come on. And let's explore. First, let's break it down into meiosis 1 and 2. They're different from each other, so here's a review. Meiosis 1 occurs first. It involves homologous chromosomes to disperse. In prophase 1, the chromatin begins to condense. Chromosomes slowly form and chromatin is past tense. Each chromosome pairs up with its homolog and synapsis occurs. Let's keep moving on. Now crossing over takes place and genes transfer. The key is mod is where this process occurs. Next is metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes align along the metaphase plate. This is a sure sign that anaphase 1 is about to begin. Homologous chromosomes move apart, carrying genes within. Telophase 1 is next, 1 cell becomes 2. Each new cell is haploid.
So what are they gonna do?
Since each new cell has chromosomes with sister chromatids, there's no need for replication, just division. Now meiosis 2 begins to take place. The most important concept is sister chromatids separate. This all happens in a process similar to mitosis. And if you listen to this rap, then you should know this.
So why is this important?
Well, haploid gametes are needed in order to sexually reproduce because they form diploid cells when they combine. If it weren't for meiosis, genetic variation would be reduced and everything would be identical with no unique design.
So basically what you're saying is mitosis and meiosis both involve replication, and mitosis makes 2 daughter cells that are clones while meiosis makes 4 different cells?
Yep, that's right.